What's up, YouTube?
I'm not talking in this video.
Because he's really... Are you even tired?
No.
I'm not. Yeah, it's like 2... It's 2 in the mornings.
Like
Yeah.
6.
It's 2 in the morning.
It's 2:06.
Yeah. Here in Cushing, Oklahoma. So today we're going to be watching a JetBlue A320 late night candy from Boston, Logan, and I did the full flight. What the... I was supposed to be on a different view. Perfect. I don't know why it's being...
Oh yeah, guys, if yet, we haven't done that video. One of the recommended servers that we have is Creepercraft.
Yes.
I can do that, show them that, and the server address and everything.
I could probably do that in a separate episode, but I think I'm only uploading one video tonight because...
The name is Creepercraft, and it's a very good server.
Yes, much better than Skytopia. We bombed on Skytopia because we lost our island. And I got a new epic skin. I'll show you it soon. Didn't I, Caden? I customized it myself. As you can see, Kindy. I don't know where you guys live, but I think it's like 12 in the west, and then it's like 3 in the east. But here's just whatever. Pretty good, nice landing too. So yeah, guys, I think this is the only view I'll show you. Sorry, I just don't want to do anymore. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. See you later. Bye, guys.